Are you a Bitcoin pro? If you are, you have Bitcoin and use it a lot. Introducing the Bitcoin Cube, a premium product like no other in the world. Its intriguing design and illumination immediately draws your eyes and curiosity, and it should. It is the world's most brilliant and luxurious Bitcoin node. If you want a sleek, elegant, and nearly hidden Bitcoin node, we designed the Stealth for you. It hides its Bitcoin processing power by its minimalist and more subdued outer appearance. To showcase the Stealth, turn the lights on to dazzle everyone. Each Stealth is assembled by hand in North America. Every part is handled with care and precision. Our skilled and passionate workers are proud of each Stealth they build. The Stealth has a position-adjustable tray for the Raspberry Pi, advanced low-profile active cooling, a fast SSD hard drive with an easy slide caddy, machined acrylic sides with over 170 stainless steel fasteners, and the official Raspberry Pi power supply. The Vault is maximum prestige, ultimate luxury, and power rolled into a strong industrial work of art. A unique, exclusive symbol of your professional Bitcoin status. Intrigue and awe-inspiring, the Vault will be the focus of any desk. The Vault is carefully assembled by hand in North America. With over 400 fasteners and over 30 components, it requires extra attention to detail. No step is rushed. The Vault has a position-adjustable tray for the Raspberry Pi, large aluminum heatsink and fan cooling, a fast, long-life SSD hard drive with an easy slide caddy, machined acrylic sides with over 400 stainless steel fasteners, and the official Raspberry Pi power supply. If you want a professionally designed, compact, minimalist node, the Stealth is for you. If you want your desk to stand out, make a statement with the premium Bitcoin maximalist node, the Vault. You can now have the best looking Bitcoin node in the world. Make your choice and buy one today.